Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 4 easy solutions to open XFA-based PDF forms. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you're new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. What is XFA file format? XFA, XML Forms Architecture, is a PDF form format developed by Adobe to enable dynamic, interactive form fields. These forms are typically created using Adobe Lifecycle or Adobe Experience Manager and can adapt based on user input. However, XFA-based PDFs are not supported by most modern PDF viewers or browsers, often showing a message like "Please wait" instead of the actual form. To view them correctly, users need to open the file using Adobe Acrobat Reader on a desktop. Why XFA forms are not supported in most PDF viewers? XFA forms use proprietary Adobe features that go beyond the standard PDF format supported by most PDF viewers. Because of this, many browsers and third-party apps can't display XFA content properly. To ensure speed and compatibility, these viewers exclude XFA support, often resulting in blank pages or error messages when users try to open such files. Which browsers support XFA-based PDF files? Browsers that may support XFA with plugins: Internet Explorer, legacy browsers with PDF plugins. Browsers that do not support XFA: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari. Solutions to open or convert XFA-based PDFs. 1. Use Adobe Acrobat Reader, desktop version. The most straightforward fix is using the desktop version of Adobe Acrobat Reader. Unlike browser PDF viewers, it fully supports XFA-based dynamic and static forms. Just download the official version from Adobe's website, install it, and open your file. It's free and highly reliable. 2. Convert using trusted online tools. Online tools like PDF2Go, AvePDF, and Sejda allow you to upload XFA-based PDFs and convert them into standard PDF formats. These platforms are convenient when you're working on devices without PDF software. However, always avoid uploading sensitive files and ensure the website uses HTTPS for secure processing. 3. Print to PDF as a quick workaround. If the XFA form opens but doesn't work properly, try printing it to PDF. This flattens the form into a static version. Just open it in a supported viewer, click Print, and select Microsoft Print to PDF or a similar virtual printer. You'll lose interactivity, but the file becomes viewable and shareable across devices. 4. Request a non-XFA version. If someone else provided the file, simply ask for a standard viewable PDF. Many organizations can easily generate non-XFA forms that work on all browsers and devices. This is especially helpful if you're filling out government or business documents. Hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.